Hi again, Alfred here. Let's get straight to it. Here are 15 things to know about owning a home in the DMV. 1. Competitive housing market. The DMV housing market is competitive, especially in desirable areas. Be prepared to act quickly and possibly over the asking price. 2. High cost of living. The DMV has a high cost of living, and housing is a big part of that. Be sure you can afford the mortgage payment, property taxes, and other costs associated with homeownership. 3. Consider your commute. Traffic congestion is a major issue in the DMV. Consider how far you are willing to commute from work and school when choosing a home. 4. Variety of housing options. The DMV offers a variety of housing options, from single-family homes to condos to townhouses. Decide what type of property is best for your needs and budget. 5. Research different areas. The DMV is a large area with many different neighborhoods. Each neighborhood has its own unique character and amenities. Do your research to find a neighborhood that is a good fit for you. 6. Property taxes. Property taxes vary depending on the jurisdiction. Be sure to factor in property taxes when calculating your housing costs. 7. Homeowner's insurance. Homeowner's insurance is required to get a mortgage. Be sure to get quotes from several insurance companies before you buy a home. 8. Flood insurance. Flood insurance may be required if your home is in a floodplain. Be sure to check the flood maps before you buy a home. 9. HOA fees. If you buy a condo or townhouse, you will likely have to pay homeowners association fees. HOA fees cover the cost of maintaining common areas and amenities. 10. Closing costs. Closing costs are the fees you pay to close on a home purchase. These costs can add up to several $1,000s. 11. Get a home inspection. A home inspection visually examines a home's condition. A home inspection can help you identify any potential problems with the home before you buy it. 12. Budget for repairs. Owning a home is responsible for making repairs. Be sure to budget for repairs when considering the cost of homeownership. 13. Lead paint. If your home was built before 1978, it may contain lead paint. Lead paint is a health hazard, especially for children. Be sure to have your home tested for lead paint before you buy it. 14. Radon. Radon is a naturally occurring radioactive gas that can cause lung cancer. The DMV has a moderate to high risk for radon. Be sure to have your home tested for radon before you buy it. 15. Enjoy homeownership. Owning a home can be a great investment and a source of pride. Enjoy the benefits of homeownership, such as building equity and having a place to call your own. If you're thinking about buying a home in the DMV, leave a comment below and let me know what your biggest concern is. Maybe it's the competitive market, the commute, or something else entirely. I'll do my best to answer your questions in a future video. For even more tips and DMV real estate content, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you won't miss a beat.